my name is Christine Garrow, and it's time for another episode of Kids Grab and Go. This is an opportunity for you to come into the Bettendorf Public Library to pick up a bag of supplies to make a fun craft each month. For the month of January, we are going to be making a pipe cleaner octopus. We make 250 bags of each craft each month, so please come in and get yours before supplies run out. I have my bag right here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First of all, you should have 5 pipe cleaners. They could be in any color. They should be all in the same color. And they might already be bent in half, and that's okay because we're gonna end up doing that during the instruction part. Also, you'll have a baggie that will be full of 2 things. We have some googly eyes, and then we also have glue dots, which we'll use to glue the googly eyes onto your octopus. Now that we have everything that we need, let's get started. We're gonna start off by lining up 4 of your pipe cleaners that you had in your bag. They don't have to be perfectly aligned, but it's kind of nice to have them pretty close. And then we're gonna bend them in half. And these are going to make the 8 legs of the octopus as well as part of the head. Another thing that will be helpful to have when making your octopus is either a pen or a pencil or a marker. This will help to shape these pipe cleaners how you want. If you don't have something like that at hand, you can use your fingers or your hand, right? So you can either use your finger to do this next step, or you can use, like I said, either a pen or a pencil. And all we're gonna do is put the pen or pencil right where you folded those pipe cleaners in half, and we're gonna twist. Just like that. And then we can spread out this top portion here. This is gonna be the head. And we just want it to be a little bit wider there. So these are gonna be the legs, and then this is gonna be part of the head. Then we're gonna take that last pipe cleaner, the 5th one, and we're gonna wrap it around what is now like the neck of the octopus. And you can just loosely wrap it around, kind of going obviously in the opposite direction of the other loops. And then we're gonna just tuck that in to the other pipe cleaners, wherever it'll fit so that you don't have that metal edge poking out. Then I'm gonna use my pencil again, and I'm gonna use it to kind of curl these legs so they look more like an octopus. Again, if you don't have that, you can just kind of use your finger to kind of twirl them so that they look like tentacles. When you think your tentacles look pretty good, it's time to add some eyes. So I'm gonna do my best here to use these glue dots to do that. So we have some extra ones just in case, because these are very sticky. So just like then, you can get it stuck to your hand or something, and one of them might not come off of the paper exactly how you want it. So there should be 4 of them, just in case you need some extras. But I can take this one and I can put it on the back of the googly eye. There we go. And then I stick it onto wherever I want the eyes to be on my octopus. Here's one. Get this next one off here. Yep, there we go. And I'll put on that second one, just like that. And now you have a very fun craft made just with pipe cleaners and some glue and googly eyes. We hope you enjoy making your own pipe cleaner octopus. Until next month, Bye!